Just weird. Cold the place looks like now.
Did you want to pack this? Oh, sorry. Did you want to pack that?
Yeah, just dump it there.
Just dump?
Thank you.
That's alright. Oh.
You're okay?
Yeah, all good. Now, is there anything else you want me to do?
No, right now I'm just packing everything in here because I decided that I think it's a better idea to do the kitchen last.
Yeah.
Since we're going to use it.
That can be done tomorrow if you really want.
Let's do it tonight because they'll be coming in like early.
Okay.
Yeah, so
No, that's alright then.
only thing that I can currently think of is just getting that cabinet ready to move, but she's not coming till 4:30.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, in that case, do you mind if I go down to uni and see some people?
Yeah, go for it.
I'll check if they're around first. But, like, is that cool?
Yeah, I'll just be crawling around the place, that's all fine.
Righto. I'm gonna ring
Yeah.
Cooper. See if he's around. Alrighty, cool.
Woo! They still haven't reached downstairs yet.
No, they're back in the uni.
No, that's the girls who's picking my cabinet up.
Oh. Go to go.
Just say this is what cold the place looks like now. I've spent the last 14 days going backwards and forwards with Queensland government to try and get in. And that's trying to get in with by driving. So all they want you to do is they want you to fly. They want everyone to fly in. No matter where you are, you can't drive unless it's through South Australia and Northern Territory. Now, reason why I can't fly is because I'm moving apartments. So I have a car and I need to take my car with me, and my car has all my stuff in it, especially valuable stuff. And I also have a broken leg and I've just finished uni. So I haven't been able to work for 8 weeks. So I've got no money, and also being a uni student, I have no money. But do they care? Negative, they do not care. All they want is money. So my application today was closed because I couldn't find a good enough reason for why I couldn't fly, or I didn't have enough evidence to prove why I couldn't fly. And I'm not going to tell some doctor to be like, hey, can you lie to me? Lie on this form and tell them that I can't fly for random reasons? I'm not going to do that. No way, Jose. I mean, I tried to, but it didn't really work, unfortunately. Yes, I did try. And it didn't work. So they closed my application. I've been crying all day because of it, so I can't get home. That's literally it. Like, I can't get home. And I've been crying all day. So Dad managed to find me an option, and that was to drive to ACT and quarantine there at a family friend's for 2 weeks, and like until they well, yeah, so for 2 weeks. If Queensland borders open up to New South Wales, then I drive over. If they don't, after that 2 weeks, I will obviously fly over there. And flying with that, like after those 2 weeks of quarantining, allows me to get in without having to do quarantining there at my own expense. But it's so ridiculous. Like, they want me to pay like max $700 for flights. Quarantine will be about $2,800, and shipping my car and all the valuables that's in there will cost up to $1,000. Do I have that money? No, I don't. Like, that's roughly 500, like $5,000 minimum. Let's just say that, $5,000 minimum for me to go home. I don't have that money. Like, it's ridiculous how they think that people can just pull this money out of nowhere, especially as a student. Like, we're so poor. We can't. I don't get why my hair isn't curling today. Is it because the pieces are too small? I don't know. Apparently I'm just shit at curling my hair. So, yeah. It's been a rough day. Just putting it out there. But I have to go back to Canberra, quarantine there, and hope that I can get back, that I can go live at home. So, yeah, fun times for P-Dizzle, am I right? Well, that kind of curled. Kind of. I'm doing it the wrong way. I did not do that right at all. Nope, did not do that right. Let's do it a different way. So yeah, fun times.
It's such a nice house. I love it. I want to buy it. Is this their investment property?
Go for the Airbnb.
So is this their house that they're renting out?
No, it's just an Airbnb.
Do they own it?
I would presume so. I don't think you can have an Airbnb without owning the property.
My sister's boyfriend, her family has a states thing. And they built this like cottage. Because they live on a farm and they have like an adjacent paddock that they don't use for. So they turned it into like a country retreat where like you literally can't talk to anyone and like you have to get them to drive you to it because you have to go through a river to get to the house.
I love that.
So, actually we nearly booked it out for my birthday and just had to go like camping there.
Yeah.
Because the house is like safe and we thought brilliant, that can be like all my family. And we'll just camp. It has like a fire pit built in and it's remote so we can have as many people as we want it. Yeah.
Why did you do that? Why did you?
Because his parents were going away that weekend. Like, Matthew and Nathaniel originally wanted to go with them because he's got the links in Brisbane and they're going to fly up and see him. Which they did. But Maggie and Nathaniel didn't go, like they came to my party.
Okay, yeah.
I was scared this was going to explode because it was literally rolling around in my foot.
I was like, go from the sink, don't just open it there.
Yeah, they didn't really want to leave their investment property alone for a party with people that it's weird. We haven't really met his family, but yet he's met everyone in ours.
Drive-in movie. I'm listening to a playlist that I've never listened to before.
Do you listen to the daily mixes Spotify?
No, I can't deal with that. No, I need like certain playlists to be like, this is what I'm feeling, this is what I need to listen to.
Like a vibe.
Yeah, this is.
That's why I curate my own.
And see, like I have my own, but then I'm like, I'm just not feeling this. And then I have something like their ones, and I'm like, oh, this is nice. Because I'm listening to softly. So it's like mellow, indie music love. Like with my favourite artists in there.
It's hard.